Yeah.
Okay, I get where you're coming from. I have just one more question. So,
Go ahead, please.
There's a video of you that I saw.
Okay.
I don't know if you were at the school or you were speaking as you usually do, and you hacked or quote unquote you called somebody's phone using their own number.
Okay.
And the way you presented it, you made it look like you hacked their phone or you did some, like, I don't know if I don't know exactly what you did, but I can't do that through an app. That's very easy to do. That's not hacking.
Okay, so what did I do first? Let's start from what I did. What did I do? You said you can do it. So I want to know, what did I do?
Yeah, there's an app. There's an app.
Okay.
Like it's just, so you called the person's number
Okay.
with their own number. So
Okay.
like let's say your phone number is, just an example, your phone number is 0123.
Yeah.
You called your own number.
Okay.
0123.
Okay.
That's what you did. Do you remember that?
Yes. Is that all I did?
Yeah, that's what the video ends. That's what you did. So I want to know what maybe.
Okay, so let's be clear about what I did. What I did was this.
Okay.
First, I collected your number. Your phone is with
Right.
you, and your number is
Right.
013. So your phone is still with you. I did not touch your phone. Then from my phone, I now called another person, and he now showed your name because that person has your number.
Right.
He didn't show
Okay.
number. He showed your name. That person has saved your number. So he showed that you are the one calling, even though I did not touch your phone is still with you and we are all here. Right? That's the first thing I did. Everybody, wow, he's showing the name. Oh, no problem. Then I said, okay, now that I've done that, I want to now call you that I used your number now. So let me call you, and it will show your own number on your own phone. If you save your name on your phone, like you know, sometimes like me, I save my number on my phone with my name. It will show your name. But if you do not save it, you will see that it's your own number, and you can pick and we can talk. So that's what I did.
Okay. So are you going to go into how you did that, or
no? The next question first, before we are on the same page, because we're not on the same page yet. We're almost there. So is that what you are saying you can do?
Yeah.
Okay, so then we're good now. So there's no need to say how I did it. If you can do it, then we're good.
No, it's not for me. I want to know how you. I know how to do it. I want to know how you did.
Okay. It's not something I will say in the open like this. Do you understand? But so I would have had like a little bit of issue if you said you don't know how to do it. So that would not be okay. Let me see how I can explain. But now you already say you can do it, so it's not like a problem. If you do one, so not be new thing. If not that thing, I feel do one now. So it's not like a new thing to you.
Let me say I do. I know. It's not a new thing. But I want. This goes back to what I was saying about credibility. I want to know how you did it. I want to know, that you actually know yourself. But
do you want to say something?
This paid segment.
If he knows how to do it,
yes.
Why does he still want to know how to do it? Like, why does he still want to?
No, I don't want to know how to do it. I want to know that you know how to do it.
Do you have any question for him? Do you have anything you want to say?
The question you want to ask is not because you can do it, how do you want, like why is he asking you to do it again?
Because that's you to prove a point.
Yeah.
If he wants to know how to do it, it will be bad and register for it.
Okay, no problem. So what you are saying now is what he has said. Probably you didn't hear him because I was distracting you. So let me repeat what he said. He said that he wants to know if I can do it. So wait, I know he has watched the video. Let's calm down. So now he's not saying that. Back to what he was saying about credibility. So me, I want to now ask him now. The person you saw in the video that did it, was it me?
Obviously, Raymond, it was you. I'm asking. No, I want to know.
I cannot tell you how I did it in the open.
But yeah, ethical hacking is it not? It's all about like openness, transparency. You know.
Okay, no problem. Let's do like this. Let's do like this.
Okay. Okay.
Teach us, or sorry, the word is not teach. Tell us how you will do yours.
No, that's not why I'm here.
Why?
The thing is, I want to hear how you.
No. Why?
So I can
Why
validate.
do you not want to tell us how you will do it?
No, I don't have a problem. It's
No. I just want to know
how-
why. It's why I'm asking. It's not fight. I don't like why.
I don't have a no. I'm not fighting with you. I know, like we're having an open discussion, right? So I don't want to like. I want to know that you know how to do it. Like because if I share it, like,
Okay.
that doesn't prove the point I'm trying to. But that doesn't get like I don't get anything out of me saying. The thing is, what I'm trying to get is what you know. Like I want to know that you know how to do it. Like
The person you saw in the video that did it, was it me?
I want to know how you did it.
I can't
Yes,
teach
did.
you
Was
how
right.
in the open. If you want to know how, you can come for my class. I will teach you
Okay,
how.
that's just it.
I can't teach you how in the
That's
open now. We have about 30 people here. They are not ethical hackers. They are not doing anything in security. I should just come open here and start saying things. I can't say it in the open now. I've said it like 1 million
what it
times.
is. Okay. Okay, no,
That's
but
it
that's
in
what
the
it is.
open.
Then no problem.
Yeah, thank you so
Problem.
much, bro.
Alright.
I really
Thanks for
appreciate
signing
you.
up for it.
I appreciate you. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Actually, well, no, now.
Somebody say